Always set very high standards for yourself. And another thing that I would like to tell all of you, how do you enjoy your job? See, I have been a professional for almost more than a decade now. I have realized one thing, that we generally tend to think that you have to be passionate about something and then we enjoy that particular profession. But my experience and the experience of many people that I see in my day-to-day life, when I interact, I've met many people who are passionate doctors, passionate civil engineers, passionate civil servants, passionate teachers, passionate farmers, and even passionate politicians who are eager to work and do on a day-to-day basis. So I was wondering, what is it that makes them love their job? And I realized that one thing that is common among all of them is that they're generally very good at their jobs. So then I realized we have it the other way, and we generally think it the wrong way. We think that to enjoy a job or a profession, you have to be passionate about it first, and then you work on it, and then you will become competent. That is a wrong way of thinking. Generally, it's entirely the opposite way. You have to become good at your job first. Whether you like it or not, first be very good at your job. Then in that quest for progress and in that quest for excellence, in that quest for high level of competence, you find yourself good at your job. That's what builds passion for your job. That's where you see even a boring subject like a tax lawyer, there will be people who are very much passionate about the job. So to become a passionate doctor, to love your profession, you have to become a good doctor in the first place. So learn your course well, learn your classes well, be 100% present whenever you are on the field. Take any assignment and give it the 100% energy and your 100% best effort. In that process, try always to learn, always read, try to improve yourself, and in that progress, in that movement, in that momentum, you will start loving your doctor profession. So if any one of you are still unsure whether you are landed in the right job, let me tell you, there is no superior or inferior profession. Professions become good or bad based on what we are and what we bring to the table. So my dear students, take your journey seriously. Definitely you need to have fun. Fun comes from learning new things, experimenting, trying, failing, learning, and then doing it all over again. I really miss my college days. 4 years of my engineering I would rate as one of the best phase of my life. So today I envy all of you who are joining for this MBBS course, where you are only here to learn. You are here to become a better person, to learn new things and have fun along the way that you have given to all your parents. So try to maintain to the standard and hope that you are all parents ఇంత కష్టపడి ఎంతో చెమటోడ్చి మిమ్మల్ని కాలేజీకి పంపిస్తా ఉన్నారు. They only want one thing, that you become a very good doctor and serve the people. అది చూసినప్పుడు I am sure all their hard work, all their difficulties would vanish, and to see your young faces light up with MBBS degree. And finally, we are day after tomorrow మనం దీపావళి సెలబ్రేట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటున్నాం. It is a light, festival of lights, and there is no other profession that brings light to the dark lives, to families కష్టపడుతున్నటువంటి చీకటి మొత్తం కమ్ముకున్నటువంటి ఫ్యామిలీస్ లో దీపాలు నింపేటి వెలుగులు నింపేటువంటి ప్రొఫెషన్ డాక్టర్స్. You bring light, you bring new life to this world. So always stay true to your commitment, never ever waver, never do a wrong thing, never come under pressure, and always take care of yourself. We see very sad news sometimes, doctors succumbing to mental pressures, the demands of this work. always take care of your health. You know, from an outsider perspective, you know, always stay together as a community. If your fellow doctor is undergoing some stress or having health issues, వారికి సపోర్ట్గా ఉండండి. Take care of your mental health, physical health. I am not a doctor and I am not in a position to advise you doctors, but definitely it is an important issue that is present in our country, where doctors, young doctors are committing, suicide, such drastic steps because of punishing demanding work.